Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a bubble remover machine. First, ensure your workspace is impeccably clean to prevent new dust from settling. Thoroughly clean both the device screen and the screen protector with a microfiber cloth. Next, confirm your bubble remover machine is powered on and ready for operation. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the entire process smooth and efficient, ensuring optimal results. Now, let's focus on placing your device correctly inside the machine. Gently open the chamber door, being mindful not to introduce any dust. Carefully place your device, such as a phone or tablet, with the newly applied screen protector facing upwards. Make sure it is perfectly centered within the chamber. This precise placement is crucial for even pressure distribution. Finally, close the door firmly to create a complete airtight seal. With your device securely inside, it's time to adjust the machine's settings. Most machines require a pressure setting between 5 and 8 bar for effective bubble removal. Next, set the timer for the recommended duration, usually around 3 to 5 minutes. Always refer to your specific machine's manual for precise guidelines, as settings can vary. Double-check all your selections to ensure they are correct before proceeding to the next step. Once your settings are confirmed, press the Start button to initiate the bubble removal process. The machine will now apply consistent pressure, effectively eliminating any trapped air. Patiently wait for the entire cycle to complete, which typically takes only a few minutes. After the machine signals completion, carefully open the chamber door. You can now retrieve your device, revealing a perfectly smooth, bubble-free screen protector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.